Hey, welcome to the Guaranteed Retirement Guy show. So today I'm going to be talking to you about State Farm annuities. Are they good or are they bad? Okay, so full disclosure, I don't represent State Farm. I'm not an agent for State Farm. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing my opinion though, based off of what I've seen and what I know about them and what I know about the industry. First, I can tell you they're A-rated. They're a great company. They've been around for a long time. If you're thinking about buying an annuity from them, I think you'll do great. I think you're not going to have any problems at all because they're a highly rated company. They're very financially stable. They've been around for a long, long time. Okay, but you might be able to get a whole lot more income from other A-rated companies. So just keep that in mind. So you can see on my screen here, I mean, they got many types of annuities. You got Future Income Plus. That's just a deferred annuity. So if you put let's say you put $500,000 in right now and you want to defer it, you want to wait to take income in 5 years, or maybe it's 2 years or even a year from now. That's going to, of course, give you income more the longer you wait. The guaranteed income now, of course, will be a little bit lower, but they're going to give you income right now. If you want to start income next month, you can. Okay. Guaranteed income later, it's another form of a deferred annuity as well. You can see higher payout than immediate annuity. You can't outlive by waiting to take your first payment anytime between 13 months and up to 30 years from your purchase date. Okay, so it's just a different type of annuity versus the Future Income Plus that just has a different minimum as well. Actually, you know what? Both minimums are the same. They're both around $10,000. So here's the thing. When I look at annuity companies and I compare annuity companies, first off, I like A-rated companies. I love A-plus rated companies if I can get them. And I love companies that have been around for a long, long time. But if you can get a higher payout, like let's say you put $500,000 into a State Farm annuity, and I don't know what the payout is because I'm not a captive agent. And when you work with an agent there, that's all they can sell. And so if you're looking to, see everything, then I'm happy to show you everything else that's on the market. And I'll show you right now. You'll see with all these different annuity companies, if I put, and I'll just change this around. Let's say I am 63 years old, and let's say I'm married and she is 62, okay? And let's say I want to put $500,000 in. And let's say I want income, I want to defer an income 6 years, and let's say I'm comparing with State Farm. Maybe State Farm will give me, who knows how much it'll give me. Let's just take a look what $500,000 would do. At 6 years, it's going to give me $29,000 a year. In fact, actually, excuse me, that's if my wife is 38 years old. So I'm 63, she's 38. She's quite a bit younger. They will still guarantee that for both of our lives, which State Farm might not guarantee that if your spouse is a lot younger than you. So they might. It just depends. So, but Alliance, A-plus rated, just like State Farm is. They've been around for a long, long time. They'll give you guaranteed income, and they'll guarantee it for your young spouse. Now, let's say she is 62. Let's take a look at that. So she's 62. I'm 63. It's a $500,000 investment, and I wait 6 years. Now you can see the top one is American Equity. $53,000 a year. That's pretty good. I don't know how much State Farm will pay, but I would be willing to bet it's less than that. Okay. AIG, pretty high payout right underneath. And you can see if you want to just A plus, North American, $50,383. North American's been around for 130 years. So there you go. You got a company that you can compare straight across the board with State Farm. This one also gives you a long-term care benefit. So if you need that, you can have extra income. They will double your income. If you want to have long-term care in your home and not have to be confined to a long-term care center, then I would recommend choosing Midland National. They've been around for 120 years. They're A-plus rated, and they'll let you have long-term care inside your home. If you can't do 2 out of the 6 daily living activities, they will give that to you, and they'll double that. So that $49,000 will go up to $98,000. Pretty good. So when you're comparing State Farm, make sure you compare. Okay, not just compare all their annuities, but make sure you look at every annuity company across the board and work with an agent like me that's willing to show you everything. Okay, and it's easy. If you want to just book a 30-minute call, go on the description or go on the comment below. You'll see a link to my calendar. We'll get on a call. I'll explore some annuities, and at least you can compare it with what you're looking at, and you'll have a lot more choices. I mean, you've been building up your money for quite some time. You want to get as much as you can out of it. Okay, and there's a lot of great companies out there. Don't limit yourself. There's some good companies out there that will pay you a lot more, and it's guaranteed. And if you want it for you and your spouse, they'll give it to you as well. And these companies have 50 to 100 billion in assets. They're A+ rated, and they've been around for a long time, and they can fulfill your needs just as well, and a lot of times a lot better than State Farm. But it just depends. It depends on you, your age, your situation, and I'm happy to show you everything, and then you decide. Who am I to tell you what to do with your money? Okay, it's not going to be a high-pressured sales where I'm trying to get you to buy this annuity. I want you to at least just see what's available, compare it with what you have, and then you make the call. Okay, and if you got more questions, great. If you don't want to ever talk to me again, awesome. I'm happy to answer your questions. I'm happy to not bother you again if that's what you want as well. So anyways, I just hope you know I'm here to help, and I'm happy to do so, and I look forward to our call together. All right? Take about 30 minutes, and then at that point, you decide if you want to book another call or if you want to just think about it and kind of compare. Go ahead. Go right ahead. I'm happy to answer your questions along the way. So again, thanks for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you next time.